Here's a few other plants growing really well. Now we got a big challenge. This is a black bamboo. Can you see that? And today I'm going to show you again. This one's outgrown this pot, and this one as well. This one we're going to make into two, probably three, and this one definitely two. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It's quite challenging, and you need a saw for this one. Alright, the best saw I find is an old wood cutting saw. So this is black bamboo, and that is easily over 10-12 feet tall. You can put them in the ground and grow, and again I just like to keep them in a pot so I can move them around. So let's do this. Just to give you an idea of how big this pot is, here's the fork. Look how big that is. Alright, so first got to pull it out of the pot and then put it on its side, and then get the saw and chop the root up, or divide it again. Again, it's division. Lovely, lovely plant. Let's go. This is the saw I'm going to use. I do have another one, old one, but I can't find it. If you don't have a saw, you might have to use an axe, guys. The root is so strong and hard. It's a wrestling match. Same again. Put it on its side. There you go. So loosen it all up. It says here 70 liters, but I know it's bigger than that. Alright, now ready? Here we go. See if we can. Yeah, he's already coming up, guys. He's actually been really good. There, hold with the feet. There we are. Whew. That wasn't too bad. Okay, now with this one, I'm going to make a strategic plan. How many plants am I going to make? So we've got a few shoots here, main clump here, and another small clump here. So I think first I'm going to go for this small clump and just divide them. So you get your saw, go in through here. Oh, is that a new shoot? That is a new shoot. I'm going to keep that one part of that clump and just cut it like that. That's it. It's a bit easier than cutting wood. Can you see that? Yeah. I know it looks brutal, guys. There we are. Ready? Here it comes. I show it this here. Ready? Lift. There we are. Look at that. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go in this way. That's one big one. And here's our new one. Can you see? I was going to chop this, and what I realized is this one's main root is going all the way around here, so I can't cut it here. This stem will die. That's a nice little stem there, but on this side there's not much going on, so I'm going to trim it here. Just check. No major root, no major shoot as well. So that's just waste, small fibrous roots. So this will become one plant. So leave that to one side. Now the challenging part is, in the past I've just divided it straight through the middle. But here I've got a bit of a challenge. Challenge as in decision making. There's a massive shoot going around the outside here, and it's feeding these guys because they have runners, and the runner hasn't managed to get out of the pot, so he's come round and then eventually he's come back up here. So the problem is, if I cut it right the way through there, but these are established, so they've got roots here now, this is not required anymore. So I think I'll divide this into another two. Now for this one, I'm going to chop. The question is, do I go here or here? So I make that part of that one. Okay, decision is made here. Another clump. So on this, I'm going to trim this corner and probably trim that corner, so chance to put more soil in and maybe even get a smaller pot. Okay, I might even give this a bit of a root trimming and chop it here as well, so I can put them in a more shallow pot. That's two. And this is the old main clump. It's the biggest one. Again, I'm going to give this a trim all around and at the bottom, and then it's time to repot. Be careful now, look at that. Let me show you. This is what you want to look out for. Show you. Here. Can you see there? That's a new shoot there. Can you see? That one. You want to look after that. And there's another lovely new shoot here. Look at that. So that's going to be, these are going to be new stems, and you want to look out for them. You don't want to damage. You can, but obviously you are getting rid of some of your plant. So just trimming this now, so they can have more soil. There. And let me get rid of this corner as well. And I'm going to give it a trim here as well. This is all for the compost bin or recycle. This clump is ready. So they were all in a 70-litre pot. Now they've been trimmed and smaller, so that's too big. Luckily, I have some 50-litre pot, and these will be absolutely fine 2 to 3 years in here. So that's what we're going to do. It's going to take a lot of compost, guys, to fill this. So let's see. So again, a couple of inches at the bottom. So we're going to go for about 3 inches at the bottom. Break up and air your compost. Bang the new chap in. It's going to be nice and low, fairly central. And then just fill them up. Comes from the bag. A little bit of advice, guys. If you're in the UK, best place to buy this top-notch compost, B&M. 2 bags for £12, approximately 50 litres each. And it's good for 6 months, you don't need to feed it. So I'll finish filling this up, and same again. We're gonna water, keep it in the shade until the plant has a chance to establish. We've got about another 6 to 8 weeks of warm weather before the cold sets in, and that gives the plant a chance to establish and just get some new roots out and settle. If you're liking this video, please just take a second, hit that like button, subscribe. I really appreciate it, and it helps the channel grow and it helps more people find this. Gently press to anchor the plant in, especially where you got the new compost. The old will still be hard. So what's going to happen here? They've got room to grow, lots of lovely nutrients, and they just love it. So these are clump growing. There we are. So water it regularly over the next few hours, little by little. Keep it in a shady area. You don't want too much sun because it will stress the plant. Especially if it's going to be sunny and hot. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you found this useful and it gives you an idea how to make more plants, how to look after your plants, and give them a chance to grow into healthier, stronger plants. Little tip: after you've watered, if the soil goes down and you can start to see the roots, top it up with a bit more soil. Make sure the roots are not showing, or they'll get stressed even more quick. So I had 2 large bamboo. I kept this one quite big, that's the original big one, and the others naturally divided, and it became 5 plants. I could have divided that one, but I just didn't want to risk it because they're nice close clump there. So the 2 large bamboos became 5, and again they're going to be kept well watered, and keep an eye on them how they're doing. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and remember to leave a comment what you're growing, what you like about this, what you like to see. And remember to subscribe. Please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the video go out to more people and helps the channel grow. Thank you so much. Catch you on another video real soon. Bye for now.